Man, a lot of crazy weather, but here, just warming up.
Yeah, it's warm, it's humid. It's not as cloudy today as it was yesterday, but we are tracking our next front, Dia, that's going to drop our temperatures over 30 degrees. Yeah, and it's also going to bring in another small chance for rain for some of us, and I'll show you what I mean by that. But right now I'm showing you a little cloud cover over the Metroplex, and that's really about it. Yesterday at this time, it was all of North Texas getting in on the cloud cover, and you can see it from our downtown Dallas tower camera. But here's what I want you to know. It's going to be warm, humid, and breezy today and tomorrow, but we are tracking a strong cold front that's bringing rain on Saturday morning. And then we're talking a over 35 degree temperature drop by Sunday morning compared to Friday afternoon. Our Weatherford camera right now is also showing some cloud cover overhead. Temperature of 76 degrees with the south wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Today, that temperature is going to climb as more cloud cover clears. It'll actually climb faster than yesterday. We'll be at about 83 degrees by 2, which is already warmer than yesterday's high. 87 degrees expected by 4 in the afternoon with a little more sunshine on the way. A breezy south wind gusting close to 20 is what's helping reinforce not just the heat, but also it's helping reinforce some of this humidity that's in place. Temperature today makes it to about 86 degrees in Denton, as well as in McKinney, about 86 in Fort Worth, and into the low 90s for our far northwestern counties. We could very well be dealing with temperatures in near 92 degrees for Wichita Falls. Our pollen count stays high for oak, ash, cottonwood, elm, all at a moderate count. So it's just this time of the year where we see that tree pollen kind of go up. Here's how the next several days play out. Tomorrow morning starts off warm. Tomorrow afternoon also warm with a high near 85. It'll be breezy, winds gusting close to 30 miles per hour. That cold front then arrives late Friday into Saturday morning. It's going to help bring in about 40% coverage of rain, a high near 67, quite the difference. But the coldest spot of the morning will be Sunday morning when we drop down to 48 degrees. So let's talk about tomorrow, because most of the day completely rain free. I'm showing you around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We could very well see a little shower popping up across our far western counties. Most of us stay rain free, just looking at cloud cover. It's not really till after midnight Friday. This is around 3 in the morning, and we see about 40% coverage of rain Friday night going into Saturday. And we'll see this front pushing in, helping bring in some rain. If we see any strong storms, it'll be northwest of DFW and into Oklahoma. We're looking at anywhere between 3 to 5 in the morning to see some of those strong storms there and into Oklahoma, as well as areas of the Midwest. That is where SPC, Storm Protection Center, is highlighting the potential for an isolated strong storm. That's a level 2 out of 5. The rest of North Texas under a level 1. I just don't see the potential for severe weather for us going into Saturday. As the front closes in on the Metroplex, it will make it into the area sometime around 5 or 6 in the morning. It'll blow through DFW between 6 and about 9 in the morning on Saturday. This is when we're going to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not everyone sees this. Again, only about 40% coverage of rain. Everyone sees the cloud cover, though, and we'll see some of this rain kind of redevelop once that front pushes through into the afternoon. So I'm not completely counting out some scattered showers in the afternoon on Saturday as well. We'll keep the cloud cover around through the day Saturday. We're not picking up a lot of rain. Friday night through Saturday, anywhere between a trace to maybe a quarter of an inch. We are going to see higher amounts in Oklahoma and to the southeast of North Texas. Let's talk temperatures, because once that front is coming through on Saturday morning, we'll notice temperatures dropping by 10 degrees initially. And look at this cool air just spilling in. Winds gusting near 30 miles per hour Saturday morning whenever we start to see that front coming in. By the time Sunday morning rolls around, the coldest part of the weekend, we drop to 48 degrees. So between Friday afternoon and Saturday or Sunday morning, we're looking at an over 30 degree temperature drop. Next week, a little unsettled middle part of the week, but that cool down short-lived as we'll see 80s back in the forecast by late next week. Dia?